We'll be going over silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we still remain in negative MACD and we're off of oversold levels with the RSI. If we extend out further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we did bounce right off the 200-day moving average, this green line at a price of $24.62. As for resistance, that'll be where you have the 18-day moving average, this purple line, which acted as resistance in the past, as indicated back in March 18th, is now at the price of $25.79. If we were to test that level, the price movement to the upside is roughly around 2.6%, and to test support, that is around 2% to the downside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $22.39, my sell target is at $23.73, and my stop loss is at $21.90. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $24.07, and that is this range here. And my sell target for it is at $22.89, and my stop loss is at $24.59. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop the trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 45% chance to climb between 0 to 3.6%, and a 15% chance to climb between 3.6 to 7.2%. To the downside, it has a 40% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3.6%. And thank you for watching.